All right, so I just put my screwdriver inside here. I open that and I just pull this out. Over here, there's a little cover. I take my screwdriver and I just open it. There's a star screw in there. Then over here, there's this cover which covers the speaker. So I take my screwdriver here on the top and I just pull this towards me. And there, this thing can unclip. There we go. Now there's a screw underneath here by this handle. Now I'm going to separate the panel from the door. I take my fingers, I get it between the panel and the door over here. And I just pull it. There we go. And on this side, there you go, just separate it. So now I can use the handle here and just separate this. There we go. This last one here is not a pull out, it's a slide up. So I've got to slide it up. There we go. Now I just need to remove this. I just twisted it a little bit so that can come out. You'll see a couple of cables. So we've got one over there for the window switches, one over here for the door lock. Then there's another one here, and then the Bose tweeter over here. The window winder switch here. So you've got to get your finger underneath there. The door switch over here, you just depress it at the back. This one on this side. And there the door panel and the door are separated except for this wire on the side there at the top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip the door panel onto the car. So I'm not pulling on that cable at all. I'm just flipping this around to get access. So I need to press there. Inside there, there's a tab that goes down. So I'm pressing that with my screwdriver. And when I press that down, then I can pull out the green plug. And there it comes out. There is a cable that feeds the speaker, so you just need to press the tab and slide out the cable. Then there are two star screws here. Then just put your hand here to support the speaker because it can fall out. There is a clip on this side, but I just slide it around and there the speaker comes out. Out of interest, that's the part number, and that's what the speaker looks like. So now you can replace it with your new one. If, for example, your speaker was faulty, I just slot it in there. There's two flanges there, and then there's a groove there that slots in like that. I seat it down, and I screw in these screws. I check for rattles, no rattles, and I can plug in the speaker cable.